Hi guys and welcome. As a part of our Christmas series, today we're going to be making a beautiful swag which you can put in so many areas of your home. It's very easy to make, just a few steps, and we're going to be going over those, so I hope you'll stay with me. And remember to like, share, and subscribe for future garden tips and topics. Let's go! First thing that you're going to need is an Evergreen Swag, and these actually come from your hobby stores. And I also did put a little bit of wire around it because we're going to need to hang it on the wall, or maybe you could put it on a centerpiece or possibly by your fireplace. It just depends on what you prefer. Next, you'll also be needing some picks, floral picks like these. And you can leave me a comment on different types that you think you may choose instead of these, possibly some poinsettias, or maybe use a different color, maybe more gold tone or silver tone, something like that. Then we'll also need to have ribbon because we're going to make a nice fluffy bow to put in the middle there. We will need to have floral wire, and it camouflages very well against the leaves, so that's why I like using it. You'll also need to have your shears because that's what you use to cut the floral wire. And of course your scissors, you'll need these to cut the ribbon. So what I did was to fluff these out a little bit, and I put two off here because we're going to attach these on. I previously wired these with a floral wire, and I'm going to get started putting them on. So I'm going to do this one first, and we're just going to wrap it around. We're going to kind of lay it straight a little bit like that, and then wrap it around both of these because we need for it to stay in place. You wrap it around at least twice. And then you have it go down like that. And then we have the next one that we're going to put on this side. And these are flexible too, so if they're not, like they're on the opposite side, you can always twist them over because that's what I had to do for these. And then now we're going to take these and wrap them around on this side, the two that we had lifted up there. And then after you have them like that, you can always put this over to cover it down a little bit. Let's see if we can find one on this side. Just have that come up a little bit like that. And then we're going to get a longer piece of floral wire, and we're going to wrap the whole thing and try to avoid with what you were using to secure it to the wall. And then you just knot it on the back. All right, so once you've done that, then the next thing we'll need to do is to make our ribbon. And this is almost finished because I've been using it for my projects. So we're going to go ahead first, and we're going to leave out the length that you want to have hanging further down on the bow. And then we're going to fold it over like that. Once you have folded it, then you're going to make your loop here. And then you make a similar loop on the other side. And of course you can use so many different types of ribbons. Peppermint, you can use like velvet bows. And then here we have another one, and I think I'll do one more based on the length that I have. I'm going to do one more. There you go. And then we're going to get the floral wire and stick it through here. Then you have to knot it. Pull it tight. And then you twist it like that. And there you have your bow. You can always fluff it out, but next we're going to go ahead and get it attached onto here. Of course, you can go all the way around the back if you have a long enough wire length. If not, you can always just go under the two swags that you added on. So we're going to try to pull it tight. Go around one more time. And then we're going to arrange our little bow, kind of fluff it out. And these are flexible, so if it's not falling quite the way you want, you can always go in and adjust them a little bit. So there you have the bow formation. They're made of, they have wire in the edges, so you can always fluff them out in the way that you want. Let's put this back here. I think that looks a lot better. All right, so now we have the bow there. So you notice that one's longer than the other. So I'm gonna go ahead and get them even, but I'm also gonna fix the end to get that little V shape. So I'm gonna fold it like this, and then we're gonna cut it here. And then for the next one, measure it up. And we want the longer side down here, shorter side up here. So we hold it, and we cut. Thanks so much for watching. Merry Christmas.